Hi friends! Simply Smooth sent me this awesome hair serum. It's called Magic Potion. You put it in your hair when it's wet. It helps hydrate, detangle, strengthen, repair. It locks in color, and it's also a heat protectant. So I am about to get in the shower, and we're going to do a little before and after. Okay guys, I whitened my teeth, I put myself tan on, I've done my skincare, and now it's time for hair. So I'm going to spray some